Doing this.
Okay, so me and Lauren are doing a mukbang.
I'm not doing this.
So we got some sushi from ShopRite. This is
Salmon avocado roll.
salmon avocado roll with brown rice. And I will be having, I don't know what this is.
Something
Something
crunchy.
with like crunchy, spicy tuna, salmon, or something. Okay. Now, Lauren, come on, let's go.
I don't know how to use chopsticks, so here we are.
Alright, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Ah. It's stuck together.
There he is.
Okay. This is what it looks like. Wow. I'm going to try it with no sauce. Oh yeah, and we have a little container of soy sauce.
I cannot believe you just sneezed in my bowl of cereal like that. Stop! He sneezed. Ew, you can see the spit come out of his mouth into the bowl of cereal.
She's watching YouTube right now. Everyone subscribe to KK and Baby J. Our favorite vlog channel.
Whose favorite?
Tell them how you like it.
I mean, not really a huge fan of sushi, but this is.
I'm putting some wasabi. Even though it's already spicy, but go big or go home, am I right? Oh, Laura. Okay. Little bit of soy sauce.
I appreciate that bite. Why are you chewing so loud right now?
They like to hear the chewing noise. That wasabi is good.
Ew.
I'm not taking a lot because otherwise, I don't know. I'm gonna cry. Like, a little goes a long way. I am so hungry, but what's new? Why are they stuck? Get unstuck.
Why are these sisters stuck? Get sister unstuck.
Get sister unstuck. Right as we're filming this, I suddenly forget how to use chopsticks, even though I use them all the time. Ooh.
This is busted. What? Was it too spicy? Give me a little bit.
I put too much wasabi. That hurt. That really hurt. Like my throat. Ow. But I'm doing it again because why not?
She heard it.
Lauren, you're not supposed to cut it in half.
I don't like eating the whole thing.
Oh, I guess I'm just greedy. I don't know. Tastes really good with soy sauce.
Want to see my food? What you here for? See the food through all the stages of eating.
They don't want to watch you poop it.
Comment down below if you want to see me poop.
Comment down below. Link in the description box to the pooping video.
I think I'm done.
You know I'm posting this, right?
You're definitely not. If you are, I really don't care. I could drink this soy sauce. This soy sauce is really good. Good flavor. Mm-hmm. Gotta clean up. Don't want to be nasty. Get off your phone. Are you sure you turned it on to turn on?
Mm-hmm. Stop. Ooh.
Spicy?
Okay, usually in mukbangs they have like a drink, but I'm an idiot, so I didn't bring a drink.
Yeah, I'm
But
finished.
okay, so that's all for the mukbang. All right. See you guys later.
Fat crusher.
Okay, bye.